Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and I am going to show you how to make Rummaniya, a Palestinian dish. Start off by cutting the eggplant into large cubes, and then I put them on a baking tray with olive oil and salt, and I put them in the oven at 180 degrees while I fry the garlic in olive oil. And I've washed the brown lentils and strained them. I add the first 2 cups of water, and the other 2 cups you can leave to gradually add whilst it simmers. I then add the cinnamon, the ground cumin and the ground coriander. I then add the eggplant from the oven and allow it to simmer for 10 minutes while stirring occasionally. I then add the pomegranate molasses and freshly squeezed lemon juice. I don't add salt because I've already put the salt on the eggplant while it's in the oven. I allow the stew to cool down before I add the pomegranate, shallots and parsley garnish on top. Once it's cooled down and I've added the garnishes, I then use an extra virgin olive oil to drizzle on top of the stew. And here you go. This is the Rummaniya I've enjoyed as a child and growing up, made by my auntie Haja. It's said to have originated in Gaza. This is a beautiful dish and it should be enjoyed by everyone around the world.